anyone ever notice this? Watch this power booster assembly when we step on the brake.